Hey guys, it's Josie, and today I wanted to show you how I made this Grinch-inspired Christmas tree out of pipe cleaners, so let's just get right into the video. To recreate this Grinch-inspired tree, you will need some floral wire. I have 18 gauge floral wire, and then some pipe cleaners in whatever color you want your tree. I got green. Also some large popsicle sticks, wire cutters, and possibly scissors, and a hot glue gun with some hot glue sticks. The first thing I did was take 2 pieces of floral wire because I wanted kind of a stronger central part of the tree and base. So I took 2 pieces of floral wire and I twisted them together. It was a little bit difficult at first, but once I got the hang of it, they fit together really nicely and created the piece for the tree trunk. I also left some space at one end so that we could attach it to our popsicle sticks. Then with my 2 large popsicle sticks, I wanted to create a plus for the base, so I just used some hot glue right in the middle of one of them, and then I put the other one on top and tried to make them as even as possible. They were a little bit off, but you won't really see it, so it doesn't matter. This is just for support for the tree so it doesn't fall over. And then the part of the floral wire that I didn't twist, I put onto the base and wrapped around each popsicle stick. So I wrapped around the one side in one corner and then the other side in the opposite corner. And I also used some hot glue to secure the floral wire to the back. Now you can see that it is a little bit wobbly because one is bigger than the other, so I cut down another large popsicle stick and just went ahead and glued them underneath the one that was raised up higher than the other one. This didn't completely solve the problem, but it made it a lot less noticeable. Next, you want to bend your floral wire into the shape of the tree you want. You can wait to do this after, but I figured out that you want to do before you put all the pipe cleaners on because it will be more difficult once all the pipe cleaners are on to make the whole shape that you want to make. So I ended up with this big curve, and then I can go ahead and start putting my pipe cleaners on. So to do this, I just folded the pipe cleaner in half around the floral wire, and then I was gonna hot glue them all together, but I figured there would be a lot of hot glue strings and it might not look the best, so I decided to just twist them together at the base, and I did this for every single pipe cleaner that I used. So I just kept going around the floral wire and folding the pipe cleaner in half, twisting it, and then moving on to the next one. At first I did space them out evenly, but once I started to get more and more going, you couldn't really make sure that they were all even, so just doing them, randomly helped a lot, making it look like a real tree. And I will speed this part up because I spent a long time doing this. Once I got to certain points, I started cutting down the pipe cleaners little by little, and then at the end you can see where I used pieces of the cut pipe cleaner to go on because they were short enough. Once the tree was as tall as I wanted it to be, I went ahead and cut off the end of the floral wire, and then I took some little pieces of pipe cleaner. I took 3 little pieces and folded them in half to create a V shape, and then I glued those 3 together and glued them to the end of the floral wire because the floral wire was a lot thicker than the pipe cleaners, and it would definitely poke you if you were trying to put something on there or touch it in any way. And then I went ahead and kind of fluffed it and made sure that the bend was exactly how I wanted it to be. And here is the finished Grinch inspired pipe cleaner tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me making a Grinch inspired Christmas tree. If you want to see more, you can like and subscribe down below or leave a comment on what you want to see next, and have a nice day!